In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, just swipe down from the top of the screen to get into notification center, then just long press and tap at customize. Select lock screen, and here we are. Then first off, we can edit one of these three blocks. We can tap at any of them. Let's say I'll tap at the first one, and then we can change that date widget. As you can see, calendar widget is selected, but we can select any other widget from that list. Once we're done with that, we can close it, and then we can tap at time widget. That's where we can select font and color for our time widget. After that, we can tap at the third one. Now here I got two different widgets. I can remove one or two of them, and then we can add up to 4 different widgets here. We can scroll down or up, and once we find one, we can tap on it. Then we can choose a type of that widget. We can add that one or both of them in that simple way. And then let me choose some calendar widget, just like that. Also, we can long press and then drag it to change the order, just like that. And then we can also pinch that picture, just like that, to crop it. Let me scale it in that way. Also, we can swipe left or right to switch between different filters. And right from here, we can tap at that icon. What that will do, that will open up our camera roll. We can tap at all to get into our recent photos. And then we can just select any different picture to set this picture as a wallpaper. We can turn on or off depth effect if it's available. And then once we've done with that, we can tap at done to save the changes. That's how you can easily customize lock screen on your iPhone.